Did you know you can unlock an entirely new macro tab in Excel and get it absolutely free? Yep, this isn't your average Excel trick. This is a full-blown power-up for your spreadsheets. Imagine merging multiple sheets into one with just one click, or using advanced filter tools with handy little shortcut buttons, saving all your Outlook attachments in one go. You got it. And how about converting numbers to words, spelling out text, or even currency to words using custom formulas? Oh, and that's just the beginning. We're talking tools like picture lookup and so much more, all packed into one sleek tab right inside Excel. But hey, I'm not going to explain everything here. Why? Because I already did it all for you in a full video walkthrough, and you can check that out with the link below. So here's how to grab this macro add-in for free. Click the link in the description. It takes you to the Udemy course. Copy the coupon code I've dropped down there, paste it in, hit apply, boom! You'll see it drop to 100% free. Just log in with Gmail, head into the course, and go to the download section. Now the file is zipped with a password. No worries. The password's also in the description. Just make sure to use something like 7-zip or WinZip to extract it, not the built-in Windows extractor, okay? Once you've got it unzipped, pop it into Excel through the add-ins section. And if you need help installing it, I've got a step-by-step video for that too, right inside the course. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below if you got the macro tab working. The coupon's only good for 30 days and limited to the first 100 users. So hurry up and grab your new Excel superpowers before it's too late.